India has one of the world's fastest growing economies, strong policies, and large health and nutrition programs in place. However, India still faces significant healthcare challenges. There is great diversity in health status by geographical region and socio-cultural group. Starting in 2006, the United States Agency for International Development supported the Vistar project, which provided technical assistance to the government to help improve maternal, child, and reproductive health and nutrition care, especially in the high-need states of Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Bihar. IntraHealth International, a US-based non-profit organization, led the Vistar project.
Through the Vistar project, USAID has supported the governments of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand in improving the maternal, newborn, and child health by strengthening the supportive supervision of frontline health workers and skilled birth attendants. Specifically, the Vistar project developed a range of simplified job aids and tools for frontline health workers, including the Accredited Social Health Activists, or ASHAs, and auxiliary nurse midwives, known as ANMs. The project has significantly contributed to improved public health programming and service delivery in the two states, including the National Rural Health Mission, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare Reproductive and Child Health Program Phase 2, the Universalization of Integrated Child Development Scheme, ICDS, and India's 11th National 5-Year Plan. USAID also orchestrated the formation of the Coalition for the Sustainable Nutrition Security in India, a high-profile group of policy and program representatives committed to end malnutrition in India.
One of the main goals of the Vistar project was taking knowledge to practice, which meant that actually ensuring that the approaches that are being promoted have been tried and known to work in other contexts, maybe in a small scale, but to be able to demonstrate that this is possible to take these proven interventions and approaches and support the government to implement it at scale. So everything that the project supported was at a minimum at a district level, and working with the system and the officials and workers of that district to be able to demonstrate and take some of these existing knowledge and evidence to scale. The project has achieved is it started with an evidence review process to gather existing practices and interventions, and this was done through a consultative process.
The government of Uttar Pradesh and government of Jharkhand both selected a focus on improving home visits and counseling for community-based maternal and newborn care and nutrition, improving the coverage and quality of village health and nutrition days, integrating a gender and equity focus and reaching the most vulnerable in MNCHN programs. The government of Uttar Pradesh requested focused assistance to support the cadre of community health workers, accredited social health activists, or ASHAs. The government of Jharkhand requested technical assistance on improving skilled attendance at birth, delaying the age of marriage, reducing adolescent anemia among girls, strengthening human resource information systems in order to improve planning, development, and support for health workforce. The government of Bihar also requested technical assistance from the project for strengthening its human resources information system. The team focused at district level and provided technical assistance in maternal, newborn, and child health and nutrition in 16 districts in Jharkhand and 8 districts in Uttar Pradesh, an area with a population of 39.8 million. The project has supported many innovative systems improvements, which will allow the government health and nutrition programs to sustain higher levels of impact. Key systems improvements include stronger training systems, a more supportive approach to supervision, regular use of data for program review and management, and better use of routine monthly meetings, especially for frontline worker meetings to continuously build capacity and motivate the workers.
विस्तार परियोजना प्रमुख रूप से हमारे जनपद में BHMD और जो आईपीसी और सहयोगात्मक पर्यवेक्षण मूल रूप से इसे काम कर रही है, इसे काम कर रही है। हमारे जो मुख्य सेविकाएं थी, आंगनबाड़ी वर्कर थी, उनकी कुछ आदतें जो हैं पड़ गई हैं। लगातार 3 साल से उनके साथ लगातार मीटिंग होने से, लगातार जो है कि उनके साथ ये बैठकें होने से, लगातार ये सारी चीज़ें लगातार हो रही है। गृह भ्रमण, सहयोगात्मक पर्यवेक्षण, ये सारी चीज़ें लगातार अब कर रहे हैं। इसकी वजह से काफ़ी हद तक कार्यकर्तियाँ काफ़ी जो है कि एक्टिव हो चुकी हैं। तो ग्रामीण जनता है, महिलाएं बहुत एक्टिविटी, मतलब काफ़ी मतलब उनकी वो बढ़ गई है महिलाओं का। महिलाएं जो पहले कुछ जानती नहीं थी, हमारी आंगनबाड़ी केंद्रों के बारे में कम जानकारी थी, उनको अब जानकारी होने लगी है। और अब यदि जो है कि उनको सेवाओं का लाभ थोड़ा कम, कहीं से भी किसी तरह कमी होती है तो शिकायतें मिलती हैं। विस्तार के साथ हमने देखा, हमने ये महसूस किया कि हमारी सुपरवाइज़र और आंगनबाड़ी वर्कर काफ़ी जो है कि अच्छा महसूस कर रही थी और अच्छा काम करने का प्रयास कर रही थी और काफ़ी प्रभावित थी, इसलिए और ज़्यादा उत्सुकता में उनका था। और मेरे ख्याल से उनकी अब कोई भी चीज़ सीखने के बाद एक अब उनके अंदर अब ये क्षमता और मतलब ये उत्साह वर्धन हो चुका है, इसलिए उसमें कमी नहीं आएगी, वो होता रहेगा। और ऐसा प्रयास मेरे ख्याल से यदि अन्य जनपद में भी हो तो ये अच्छा है।
The concept of VHND has come since last 1.5 years. Before that, it was being done, but it was basically focusing on immunization only. To talk of VHND, our ANMs or the field workers, they have started meeting the women folk over the different areas and to discuss about all the different issues, and that has given a good response from community as a whole. I must say thanks to Vistar, because courtesy Vistar we could start this SBA training in this district. Not only training, but just to make it a sustainable effort. We have been monitoring their activities in the sense that after the training, how they are performing in the field, and we have enlisted all the performance of all the SBA trained people. Once the system has been established, maybe it will not be up to the full extent, but to most of the extent we are now in a position to see to it that it should be made sustainable.
विस्तार परियोजना द्वारा बड़ा सराहनीय कार्य किया जा रहा है। पहले हमारा जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट जो है टीकाकरण किया करता था और ICDS अपना जो है वो न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम चलाया करता था। अब इन लोगों ने जो है दोनों को जो है एक प्लेटफार्म पर ला करके जो है VHND प्रोग्राम के अंतर्गत जो है विलेज न्यूट्रिशन डे में जो है दोनों को इकट्ठा किया और अब ये दोनों मिलकर के साथ काम कर रहे हैं। CCS की ट्रेनिंग के में जो हमारे यहाँ जनपद वाराणसी में आशाओं को ट्रेन किया गया, उसके बाद विस्तार ने ये किया कि जो है 4 समूहों में इनको बांट दिया और ट्रेनिंग जो है इन्होंने शुरुआत करी। फैसिलिटेटर जो है हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से लिया, जैसे HEO या सुपरवाइज़र को लेकर के उनसे उनको ट्रेनिंग दिया और उनसे ही ट्रेनिंग करवाई, जिससे काफ़ी कुछ सुधार आया और आशाएं जो फील्ड में मूव करने लगी और हमारे राष्ट्रीय प्रोग्राम जो है सही तरीके से चलने लगे। प्रक्रिया की शुरुआत की है और हम आशा करते हैं कि ये प्रक्रिया आगे भी चलती रहे, क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी तरीके से लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग दी है, तो आगे भी ट्रेनिंग द्वारा हमारे HEO द्वारा हमारे एडिशनल CEO इसको चलाएँगे, ऐसा मेरा विश्वास है। विस्तार का सबसे बड़ा काम यह रहा कि उन्होंने सिस्टम के अंदर ही रह करके जो सिस्टम को सपोर्ट किया, जिससे कि इनके जो है जाने के बाद जो है वो सिस्टम हमारा जो है आगे चलता रहेगा उसी तरीके जैसे इन्होंने शुरुआत की थी।
The goal of the project is to take the evidence we have, the knowledge we have about maternal, newborn, and child health and nutrition, and take it into practice at large scale, especially to reach the most disadvantaged women and children. We're very pleased with the results we've had in this collaborative effort, as evidenced by our Inland Survey.
The project has documented and shared many innovative approaches and tools. The central focus of the project was on supporting the frontline worker. Frontline workers such as ANMs, ASHAs and Anganwadi workers are essential to improve maternal and child health and nutrition in India. The project and government shared this comment and worked together to ensure that frontline workers are in place and are well trained and supported to do what they can do best: save lives.